guys, my name is Asad and today is 20th July, my first day. And right now I'm here at Parkland Hotel for high tea buffet, and it's going to be a lot of fun and I'm going to enjoy, and I'm starving right now. My daddy didn't let me eat anything from the morning.
Okay, now let's go and see what do they have there. That's me with ADEEN. Okay, so first we'll take a look. ADEEN, look, they've got the drinks as well. Wow, they've got this orange and lemonade. Fantastic. They do have orange and lemonade. We'll take that also. Now let's just go on here. The yummy stuff. Let's just make the video first. Let me just finish this thing. Let's check the other food, the main course like they have here. We've got the very yummy stuff and the chefs are all around as well. Let's just see.
Wow, yummy.
This is chicken ajwain boti.
How can you know?
Good. It's written over there. Next they have chicken seekh kebab, right? And then they have Alfredo pasta. Wow, that's amazing. Cool. Then they have chicken katsu. Wow, the small pieces of chicken. And guys, this is Parkland Hotel. We'll just give you the view from outside as well. And this is vegetable samosa. Wow. That's, you know, Punjabi traditional food. That's amazing. And then we've got chicken fajita pizza. Wow, that's amazing. They do have every quality item here. And then if you just go on, chicken special soup. Wow, see that? And they do have chicken vegetable clear soup. Okay, yeah, that's clear. And if we just take a look here, egg fried rice. Wow, they do have Chinese, guys. So you must come to this place, Parkland Hotel, Gulberg. Egg fried rice. Then they do have chicken hot sauce. Amazing. It looks so nice. Chicken hot sauce. And it's in here.
This is
Fish black pepper. My goodness. Then they have honey chili wings.
Wow, I love
My God, I'm loving it. And chicken halim, the special delight Punjabi food, chicken halim. And all the ingredients.
You ready to go?
Yeah, lemon
And this
and
is
then chilies. This is naan. Wow.
This is
That's great. So guys, we are going to have all the things, right, ADEEN?
And how can we please start eating?
Yes.
I'm very hungry.
I know you are hungry. So this is a wonderful place and we are celebrating ADEEN Asad's birthday. And ADEEN is so lucky that we have come to a very nice place. This is Parkland Hotel and this is in Gulberg near Fitos Market. If you ever want to enjoy this lovely food, you can always come here. ADEEN, anything?
They have breakfast high tea also. The breakfast buffet also. The other day I checked it out on Facebook. It's just 700 something, and it is 6:30 a.m. till 11 a.m. So if you want to try breakfast, you can enjoy slow and yummy breakfast also. So this is my food and it is extremely yummy. Like you see, this is so yummy. The combination of sauce with the chicken is so it's so good now.
Are you enjoying your birthday?
Very much.
Good.